Hi guys, here we are at Michael's. Let's check out what they have on sale, guys. Okay, so let's look over here. These necklaces, guys, were reduced to $2.47. This one right here is $127. Look how beautiful those are, guys. This is $2.47. I'm on my tippy toes. Okay, and this is $2.47. This is $2.47. They're absolutely gorgeous, guys. Then you have these bangles. These were reduced down. Look at this. These are crystals. $3.37, guys. Look at this. Then you have that one. Not all of them were reduced. Like, I don't see a reduced sticker on that one, but this one is $2.47. And I'm just going to scan those for you guys. And then look at these, $2.47 for that. This one right here, isn't it gorgeous, guys? $3.37. And then this one over here, guys, $3.47. Then they have this one. Look at that. $2.47. Wow. Look at these. These are Swarovski crystals. Oh my goodness, look at these. I love that. Oh my God, look at that. That's not on sale though. These crystals aren't on sale, but I just want to scan these for you guys. They are absolutely gorgeous. This one here is $7.77, guys. And then look at this one. So then you have these. Look at this. $1.27. And then look at this ring with the crystal on it. Isn't that nice? And this one. So I'm noticing they have like almost 70% on certain items, guys. So like these, if you work with these kind of beads, this is $147. Look at these, guys. And these crystals right here, aren't they gorgeous? Okay, look at these. Oh my goodness, they're so gorgeous, guys. And these. Look at this. These colors. Oh my God. Okay, so these don't seem to be on sale right here. But see, it says all the strung beads are up to 70% off. So I'm just going to scan that for you, only because I know that these are up to 70% off original ticketed price, but none of them have stickers down here. Now some of these do, like these, $217. And look at this cross, guys. This one here is $217. And then this ring, look at that ring. And then this, look at that. Guys, look at these stones. So that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving these wooden beads. These beads right here. They're not wooden, they're glass. But they look wooden, don't they? So some of these are 40% off. Look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so then here is the green section, turquoise. So this one here. Okay, this is the stone right there. That's $347. $507. This chain right here is $177. That's $447 right there. And look at this turquoise, $337. Look at that. That's beautiful, guys. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. Here's the turquoise cross. Very nice, guys. And then those are the stones. Some of these are reduced right on the the labels right on them, but some of them don't have the label. So this is $147, guys, for the strand. And then this one is $147 for the strand. Look at those rich colors, guys. Very nice. This is so beautiful, guys. It looks like a druzy. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, guys. And then see, over here, all strung beads up to 70% off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scan those for you guys so you could see. But head on over to Michael's, guys. If you like working with these things, they're on sale. Look at the little elephants. Isn't that adorable, guys? And the paws. Look at the paws and the anchor and the feather. And look, the tree of life. I love that. I love these crystals. These are not marked. Some of them are, some of them aren't. Look at this. I love these, guys. These are so pretty. Look at this, $1.47 for those. I wonder if I should get those. And look at these down here. These are the hearts. Look at this. These aren't marked reduced though. They are so gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. So guys, here's the rest of the wall right here. So of course they range different prices, guys. So if we come over here, we have some more reduced stuff. So like here, there's one missing. It's $3.97. Then they have that kind. They have this kind right here. Then they have the wing. Isn't that pretty, guys? Here's some headbands. Those are reduced, $3.97. And then you have some more beads, guys. So guys, if you do beadwork, now's the time to come out. Look at this. I'm just scrolling through, but this is absolutely gorgeous over here. I didn't realize Michael's has such a large collection of beads because I don't do this kind of stuff, but I'm just showing you in case you guys do. So here, look at the fish. It says blessed for this one for 97 cents, guys. Look at that. I think I'm gonna get that. And look at the shoe. And the pineapple, and look at the bicycle. Now those are not reduced. Look at the donut, guys. Aww. And now these pendants are all reduced too to 97 cents. Maybe I'll see something there I want. Then they have the initials along the top. Very nice. These are so pretty. Okay, so this is the Swarovski crystals, guys. Look at them. They're not on sale, although you can use a 40% off coupon. But if you use these kind of stones, guys, look how beautiful they are. I didn't even know they had such a large selection. And this looked like a crystal glue pen. I never used that either. Okay, and then they have some more over here. Here's some more cording. There are the necklaces. These are really nice. And look, these are the wristbands. And then they have this hemp cord right here. That's $17.99, but you can use a coupon. Then they have this cording over here, $14.99, and you can use a coupon. And here it is in that turquoise color for $7.99. Again, I think you can use a coupon. And then look at the tassels, guys, over here. Isn't that nice? And look at the lanyards. Oh my goodness. So the lanyards are reduced also. And oh my god, let's see. So this one is $3.47. Some of them are $4.17. This heavy one here is $4.47. This one right here is $1.77. I think I might get one, guys. Look at this black one. I think I'm gonna get a black one. Okay, that one is $3.47, but I love that one. Very nice, guys. Then you have some look at these pom-poms. That one is the flamingo. This is the unicorn. This one here has glasses. Here you have the watermelon. Guys, these are so cute. Then you have the little change purses. Isn't that adorable? Very nice, guys. These are the keychains. I'm absolutely loving these keychains, guys. Look at this. So some of them are reduced, not all of them. So I just wanted to show you. Here are the headbands, guys. Okay, so this one here is $1.77. I think that's reduced price. And then this one here, I don't think I see. Let me see. I do see a reduced tag in the back. $1.77. Then here, these clips. These clips are $1. This one here is $1.87. This one is $1.77. $1.77. Look at them. Absolutely gorgeous. Then these are $2.97. This is $2.97. These headbands are $1.87. So guys, all of these things that I'm showing you are all reduced. Then you have 40% off of your bracelets. So, and some of them are already reduced, so I'm not sure now if you can use the coupon, guys, because some of them are already reduced. And then here are the watches, because see, they already have a reduced tag, so I'm not sure if they'll let you use the coupon on top of it. So that's $5.47, $4.37. This one here is $4.37. Isn't that adorable? This one right here. He's so cute. Then this one. These guys are $4.37. Guys, and these are the flat back pearls that I usually buy. They have, well, these are the round ones, and these are the flat back in gold tone, and these are the ones that I normally buy in pink and white. Today I'm getting these, guys. I'm gonna try these. And then here are the iridescent gems in the big ones, but I wanted just the regular clear ones, and they don't have it. I don't think they do. No, they don't. These are like black, yellow, and then these are iridescent gems, but I already have that size, and they're all $9.99. So that's pretty nice. So here they have some tags, and they have some jewelry holders and bracelet holders in all kinds of shapes and sizes, guys. And then on this side they have some more of the jewelry making things. So I'm just gonna scan that for you. And here they have some tools. So again, some of these items are reduced, guys, and they're also 40 to 50% off. Some of the tags say 70% off. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Michael's to check out their jewelry area, and I'll see you in the next video.